HeroFX versus Crucial Markets. These are two brokers that have been getting a lot of attention lately. But the real question is, which one is actually better for trading in 2026? In this video, we're going to be comparing both brokers fairly, from execution to trust and withdrawals. And at the end, we'll be giving you a clear conclusion. Now first, we're going to start off by talking about one of the most important factors, and that is execution and spread. HeroFX does offer decent execution speed, but during high volatility, sometimes the spreads actually do widen and can become a little bit less consistent. On the other hand, Crucial Markets tends to be a bit more stable overall. Spreads are generally a bit more consistent and a lot more smoother, and the spreads stay. And the execution does feel smoother, especially if you're someone that does scalping and intraday trading. And it's important to note, consistency in trading like this is extremely important. Now over to trust and reliability. Some traders do use it, but some do still remain a bit cautious. Meanwhile, Crucial Markets is gaining a bit more active traction from traders, with a more strong and growing reputation for active traders as well. This really does matter because trading isn't just about profits, it's also about security as well. You need to know that your funds are as safe as they can be. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, stop trading based on guesswork. Introducing SignalPeak.io, a trading signal platform focused on precision, not just random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clear entry, take profit and stop loss levels, structured market analysis, and over 100 channels tailored very much to different trading styles. Most importantly, discipline and proper risk management always come first with SignalPeak. Still unsure? Well, guess what? Today they are offering you a free one-day trial, so you can go ahead and test the quality before making that commitment. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure, trade with confidence. Try SignalPeak.io today for free. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's get into a critical point, and that's deposits and withdrawals. HeroFX does work, but does have some mixed reviews, depending on the users, and can vary depending on different situations. Crucial Markets, on the other hand, is actually known for being a bit more consistent when it comes to deposits and withdrawals. And if it wasn't obvious already, this is crucial because profits don't really mean much if you can't withdraw them seamlessly. Now, in terms of the user experience, HeroFX has a fairly standard platform that does get the job done. Crucial Markets, however, does feel a lot more smooth and stable for long-term reliable trading. Now, if we go to take a look at the actual trading community itself, HeroFX is often seen as more of an alternative option, while Crucial Markets is more highly recommended for long-term, serious and beginner traders. So, if we put everything together, HeroFX isn't a bad broker, but it just doesn't stand out strongly across all areas. Crucial Markets, on the other hand, performs better in terms of consistency, reliability, and overall user experience. So if you're serious about trading and you're someone looking for a broker that's more reliable and dependable, Crucial Markets is clearly the stronger choice here. Trading forex and crypto involves high risk. Always do your own research before choosing a broker or investing your funds. If you found today's video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, turn comments on, and share this video with other traders. And if you're someone that's used either of the two brokers in today's video, let me know in the comments below what your experience was like.